Hey guys, welcome back to another video with Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing a quick unboxing of a phone I picked up on eBay. It was really cheap if I remember right. I didn't give a whole lot for it. I think it was untested. Like I said, it's been a while. I can't remember. Let's get it out. There it is. It is a Sprint phone. I guess taped up in here is one way to ship it, I guess. So here it is. Let's see if we got a battery in it. It feels like it. A bloated battery. It's a Motorola MB612. Has a micro SD card as well. 2 GB. Looks to be a LTE device. I don't think I have a battery like this at all. I have a feeling that one's not going to hold the charge. Here it is though. Let's see the power button. Maybe. Let's see if it's got any power in it. And then you got a plug-in we could try maybe. Just see if it's got any power in it. Oh look, actually it's turning on already. So that battery does hold the charge somewhat. I'll also be posting a update video on some phones that I bought. I unboxed and everything, but for some reason, when I had my iPhone, it lost the videos when I put them on my Google Photos, so I don't have any unboxing videos of it. So that's why I haven't made any videos recently, when I've been dealing with a couple other things. Make sure there's no information on there. Yeah, it looks like it's been somewhat stock, I think. There, it's fully working. Looks like it has a full charge too. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. And stay tuned for the next one.